Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
In connection with 2009 serial killing cases, Goa government has filed appeals before the High Court pleading to enhance the sentence awarded to convicts duo Chandrakant Talwar and Cyron Rodrigues from life imprisonment to the death sentence. The High Court has issued notices to Chandrakant Talwar and Cyron Rodrigues and has kept the matter for hearing for 3rd February. Goa government in a separate appeal has also challenged the acquittal of Chandrakant Talwar's wife Soni alias Grishmi Talwar in this matter. The Children Court after trial had convicted Chandrakant Talwar and Cyron Rodrigues for murdering a 16-year-old Caranzalem resident girl but had acquitted Talwar's wife Grishmi from this case. The High Court will hear this matter on 3rd February. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.